Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Snapchat video glitch. So simply you have to just follow the steps. So go to your phone settings of your Android device. So click to settings and there is apps option. Click to apps. So when it's open, so again click to apps. So it will be opened in 1 second. So when it's open, it will be loading. When it's load, so you have to find the app of Snapchat from these applications. So scroll down to find Snapchat app. So once you will find it, so you have to click to Snapchat and go to permissions and allow the camera and storage. So when you will allow it and go back to your home screen and simply just open your Snapchat app. So the camera has been accessed. So go to profile icon and settings and scroll down to find data cache. So when you find data cache, it will be there. Yes, so click to clear cache and continue. It will be clear the all extra data burden on your phone. So you have to go back on the Snapchat interface and maybe later click to notifications and so click to search for filters and type it glitch. So there are filters are there are many. So I will select the number one of, so just give you example. So there is a glitch filter, so yeah, it will be used for making videos. So this is how to fix glitch video on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.